Howdy, welcome back to the channel. In this week's video, I rode back out to the beach again on my scooter. Beautiful ride. It's about like 7 or 8 degrees out today. A little bit chilly, but fairly good ride. So I came down to the beach today because it's supposed to be a massive storm later today, but right now there's very few clouds. So hopefully this morning the weather and hopefully the light permitting, the photography should be amazing. See, there is metal and other stuff all over the ground here, so I have to definitely be careful. Wow, that post-processing, there's a lot. All right, whatever. All right. We're definitely gonna get some drone footage out today too. And first look around, see if we can find any compositions. The sunrise should be in about another 20 minutes or so, 22 minutes. So we're gonna hike around a little bit and see if I can find something. I'm also definitely gonna use my new camera, see if we'll try little zoom shots. Crazy that this is up to 20x zoom. I do like this. All right. So the log has kind of an interesting shape going into it. Completely stripped bare. I'm assuming it must be some form of, probably a birch, cedar maybe. Show you guys in a few seconds how the sunlight's starting to look now. I mean, really starting to kick up. All right, so 1/8 of a second, f11, ISO 400. I'm gonna try lowering that down a little bit more to ISO 100, see how it looks. F11, 3.2 seconds, 2-second timer. All right, see if there's anything else down this way. Oh, the water sounds so nice. All right, I have to stop here. There's just 2 random roses in the ground. So that's what I'm looking at right now. So we have the water is very slowly washing over where these 2 flowers are in the ground. It's kind of a really interesting pop of color. So we're gonna focus on them. .2 seconds, ISO 100, F11 again. Now I don't need that big of a depth of field. ISO 100, f4.5, 1/5 of a second. Let me know what you guys think of this one. 2-second timer. All right, now. Wow. Okay, so F11, 1/30th of a second. You can just starting to see the sunlight peeking over. So 1/30th of a second, F11, ISO 100. 2-second timer. All right, I'm gonna change up the composition just a little bit. We're gonna brighten it up ever so slightly to 1/15th of a second. F11 again, ISO 100. So we've gotten 2 okay shots. The sunlight has just started popping up now. All right, so we're gonna put the camera away, hike up the beach a little ways, see if there's anything else we can see. What a beautiful morning. The weather has warmed up so perfect. The water actually looks slightly clear, so I wouldn't want to swim in it. It's still Lake Ontario, but wow, can you ever see Toronto clear today? All right. Well, let's hike back up the beach, see if we can see, there is an outcropping of rocks that I want to get a little bit closer for, so you guys can see it. That outcropping right over there. Nice composition, something like this. So the cloud cover is definitely rolling in now. All that cloud cover coming in. So we are now on this side with some chairs of some sort set up over here. I don't really know what this is. So we're gonna go over and have a little look, see if we can find out the composition on this side. We started way over there to begin with. Now we're on this side. Thanks for stopping by the channel this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed the photographs. Give us a like and comment below. See you guys again next week.